In this video, I'll show you how to stop your MacBook from going to sleep and prevent its screen from turning off automatically. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. There are two settings we need to change. First, go to your desktop and click the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen. Select System Settings, then click Battery in the sidebar. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Options. Find Prevent Automatic Sleeping on Power adapter when the display is off, and turn this option on. This prevents your MacBook from automatically going to sleep while it is connected to its charger. Click Done to save the change. Next, select Lock Screen from the System Settings sidebar. Find Turn Display Off on Battery when inactive, open the drop-down menu, and select Never. Then, find Turn Display Off on Power adapter when inactive, and set this option to Never as well. Your MacBook will now remain awake, and the display will stay on even when you're not actively using it. Keep in mind that leaving the screen on continuously can use more battery power. If you only need your Mac to stay awake while it is plugged in, you can leave the battery option set to a shorter time. You can return to these settings at any time to restore the automatic sleep and display timeout options. And that's how you stop your MacBook from going to sleep or turning off its display. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy Mac tutorials.